Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm trying out this little nighttime setting for my videos, so let me know how you like it. Anyway, today I have for you a video on how to retouch and replace hair in 10 minutes. It's actually very simple, very quick and very professional looking, and I am super excited to share with you. I will be cleaning the hair, I'll be replacing them, kind of like flipping them around and filling some gaps, and I'll be also adding some highlights, so make sure you stay till the end so you don't miss anything. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump into Photoshop and have a look how it's done. And here we are in the Photoshop. Let's have a look at the hair. So skin is already done, and for the hair I'll start with cleaning. So let's grab spot healing brush, new layer, and let's clean them up a little bit because I will be replacing them, flipping them around and putting them on the other side. So I don't want to do the job twice, hence first clean them properly. For this part I will use a clone stamp tool. Gonna just get rid of all the hair in one go, and later I will draw some hair back just so it looks more natural. Now it might sound weird to get rid of them and then paint them back, but believe me, it's the most natural way. I'm gonna use a solar curve just to check there are no hairs left on the background. Because again, I don't want to do this twice. Okay, looks good. Alright, to copy the hair, you need to create a stamp visible layer, so Command Control Shift E, and I'll use my lasso tool. Let's start here on the parting, and let's go all the way to the bottom and just select this part of the hair that we want to put on the other side. Right click, layer via copy, and now we have copy here, so I'll click on it and says flip horizontal, and let's just place it on the other side. Great. Let's make sure it lines up perfectly. Something like this will work just fine. Beautiful. Let's hit OK, bring back the opacity to 100, and now we can create our mask that will help us with selection. So let's uncheck this for a while, and let's go to select and color range, and we can select the skin tones. Make sure all the skin tones is selected, and adjust the fuzziness accordingly. Alright, something like that. Let's hit OK, and now we have our selection. We can click on this layer and click on mask, and when we invert the mask, all the hair is away from the skin. So we obviously need to do some little adjustments here, so let's just grab our brush and make sure we have everything away, just these little bits and bobs. Just make sure it's properly filled. take away the little details, like here the parting. And there's that, almost perfect. You just need to do a little more detail just to make sure it looks completely natural. Especially where the original hair meets the placement, just kind of look at how the hair are growing out, if they are following the directions and everything looks good. So to finish it off, I want to paint a little hair to kind of give it more natural look. So I'm just going to create a new layer and I'm going to select my hairbrush. And let's go for creating some hairs. I'll pick a color from here. Looks good. And with my vacuum tablet, I need to go with a very small size. Just gonna put a little flyaways back there. And keep your hands on the undo button because you're never gonna get them perfectly, so just kinda go until you are happy. That's why I'm doing it on the end, so I can do different flyaways on each side of the hair, so it doesn't look as fake. Once the hairs are painted, I'm gonna go to filter, noise, and add noise. Yeah, something like that, it's great. And also go to blur and Gaussian blur and add just a little bit of blur, because obviously the hair are not in focus of the picture. Just kind of want to make it look natural. Looks good. We can also bring down the opacity maybe just a little bit. Fantastic. And there you have it, guys. It was very quick hair replacement before and after. While I'm at it, I still like to do the earring. So let's do one more quick bonus. Duplicate the background layer again and bring the earring. I liked it, this one on this side. So let's just copy this one. I'll layer via copy. Flip horizontal. I think this is perfect. Let's hit OK. And now again with the mask, we will just mask out the things that we don't want. Alright, I think it looks brilliant. Let me just make sure the hair are lining up. Yeah, and that's it. I'm quite happy with what we did today. All that's left is a little bit of hair highlight and color grade, so let me do the hair highlight, creating a curve adjustment layer and flipping it from normal to linear dodge, and just bring down the opacity quite a bit. And I'll just hide the layer by inverting the layer masks, Command I, and with a white brush I'll just gonna add a little bit of highlight into some areas that I feel like can be a little bit more highlighted. That looks fantastic. I'll just bring down the opacity slightly. And for the color grade, I'll just use the one that I used on my previous image from the same set. So yeah, that's the final image, guys. I hope you like it. Here is your before and after. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you here next time. Bye!